Hello everyone, welcome to use our RODEO CNC machine. Look at this model is our wholesale 1325 model with rotary device attached on the side of machine. When you receive this machine, I show you how to use it. First, you need to contact this machine with your local power. Here I show you how to connect the power. Look at this. This part is air switch. You need to use electric wire to connect this part to your local power. Look at this wire. The machine is with 3 phases, and the other side of this wire connect to your local power. Check this. Check the other side of the wire. Now it's connected well. Okay, you can control the machine. Now you can control the machine. Press this button to turn on the machine, and check the DSP. The machine XYZ is going home. When you use machine to flat material, you need to find the origin of your material. Here show you how to find the origin. Move XYZ to this point, this point of the material. And when you find the starter of the material, you need to set this point to 0. Press SY to 0 and Z to 0 to set the 0 point of the material. Okay, now and you can use your disk to transport your drawing to this DSP and find the drawing in DSP. Okay, press start to start your work. When you use rotary device, you need to move x-axis to find the center of the rotary axis. Now it's finding. Okay, now it's finding the center of the rotary axis. Next step, you need to activate the rotary axis. Press this button to activate it. And the next step, you need to change the rotary pulse. Here is the step. Pulse equip and change the axis. The pulse equip. Okay. Save the change. Okay. After you save the data, you need to restart the machine. Okay. Start the machine. 让旋钮转了一下。Okay, now you can use this rotary device to do your work. Okay.